Hi, hello, my friends. I am Naresh. Today I am going to discuss about the JavaScript operators. One of the three concepts I wanted to discuss with you today. One is increment operator, and increment operator. This is used to we can increase the one value. For example, if present value one, if you are increase one, then it will be get the two value. I want to decrement operator. I want to introduce the decrement operator here. Decrement operator means, for example, if you have 10 value, one step if you want to decrement, then it will be go to the ninth value. Third concept is comparison of operator. These things we are using in JavaScript. If you want to check the first operator value, first variable value and second variable value, how to compare the two values are equal or not. So that case we are using the comparison operators. Let's go to my notepad and I will discuss with you in my programming code. Uh, yeah, now I'm going to create one page, increment and decrement .html. Here I take my script tag in JavaScript, open script tag and close script tag. Yeah, before this script tag open, I take two buttons, increment and decrement. Input type button value add and close the button. I want to give an ID for increment, given increment ID, increment increment ID, same as well as I take decrement ID of input. I take one bear tag here. I want to print the result here in span tag. Initially put the 0. I assign one ID to this span tag result, and one more thing, I take one div. Here I take two inputs. No, just no need. I will explain later. Yeah, now I want to see my output. Just open into my folder and double click on it. Yeah, this is add and subtraction. This time I'm going to my notepad. Value minus. This is subtraction. Subtraction means minus, add means plus operator. I'm using here. So just after that, where I want to read this increment, decrement buttons. Increment button variable document. How to read the increment object? By using document dot get element element by id of the element id, then we are get the value of that object. Sorry, that object. First read that object, button object, and same like that we need to read the decrement object. Decrement object. Now I want to click on increment button, then I will increase the value of result, right? Add event listener. Now JavaScript event. Type of the event is click event. Then I one more arrow function. Arrow function inside. What I'm doing here, initially 0, right? This value. Now I want to read span object also. Result object. So this id, when I read the span tag, yeah, now result dot inner html equal to, initially this value span tag value is read the span tag value. One second. Result.inner html parse int, because of I convert the string into integer, inner html plus 1. So now I am going to check my output in browser. Go to the my browser, refresh the page. When I click on the add button, yeah, now can you see our output? When I click on add button, then our result is increased. Present 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So like this we are increased our value when clicking on the add button. This is the addition of the programming in JavaScript. Same similar kind of way we can implement the decrement logic also. Decrement of logic, we are taking the decrement button. When you are clicking on the decrement button, you can decrease the result value, means minus operator, subtraction. By using subtraction, we are decrease the our variable value. So now again I'm going to browser, refresh my page. First time I increase the value 2, then I clicking on subtraction, it's going to 1. Again when I clicking addition, then it will be going to addition of the previous value. When I clicking on subtraction, it will minus 1 step to back to the result variable. So that is the concept of increment and decrement in JavaScript. Next, I want to discuss with you comparison operator in JavaScript. I take two variables, a equal to 10, where b equal to also 10. If condition a equal to b, then I want to print some console.log of equal else case. If else case, I want to print not equal to. So Let me check in our browser this logic. I'm going to refresh here, inspect this element, go to the console log. Yeah, it's showing our output is a a value equal to 10, b value equal to 10. So a triple equal to b. It should be matching a value and b value. That's why it's my console log printing as equal. If I want to change b value 11, then it should be not equal because of b value is different compared to a value. So now, yeah, here observe here not equal to. It's going to else block. Next, I want to give as single quotes b value, but I take the same value 10 in b variable also. Now I am going to save my file and execute in browser. Let's see what is output not equal to. But I am giving both variables are 10 value, but it could not be matching. So this is the problem, right? And one more thing, if I remove the one triple equal to if I apply, then it will be show our output. It should be equal. So because of it should be check only value, not data type. Triple equal to means it should be checking value as well as data type. So this is the concept of in JavaScript comparison. So and so this is the concept of increment and decrement comparison operators in JavaScript. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon because of you will get my next video notification. Thank you.